Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Vikas English classes. And today's topic is spotting errors, the most important part for the competitive exams of all types. Even it is also very important for plus 2 students. Okay. Please watch, mark very carefully at the passages written on the board. Spotting the error. You have to spot error. Where is the error in the sentences? क्यों जगह सब भूल भटका अच्छी. Okay. None of the countries ठीक ना भूलो ना none of the country हबो. Students, you just mark whenever each of none of either of neither of, if these phrases are there, any noun after this, they become plural. Each of the girls, none of the boys, either of the two boys, neither of the two boys. So there is no mistake here. None of the countries, none of the country, if जदि क्वेश्चन था नॉन ऑफ द कंट्री ताल हम तक कंट्रीज करी थांते. ठीक अछि कंट्री इन वर्ल्ड पृथ्वी रे. ठीक अछि ठीक है नो एठी आर्टिकल दी लागिबो एठी वर्ल्ड अर्थ सन मून एफ एमान को पूर्व सदाबेले आर्टिकल दी लागे इन द वर्ल्ड. तापर देखो नॉन ऑफ द कंट्रीज इन द वर्ल्ड आर as more affected by the COVID-19 as the India is. Correct? Let us check word for word. None of the countries in the world are. This is wrong. Okay. You see, each of the girls, this is a singular actually. This is singular is. None of the boys is. Either of the boys is. Neither of the boys is. Whenever anything is connected by none of, either of, neither of, either of, it is plural. Students may think, पिला माने भाई परदी plural अच्छी तो R अच्छी ठीक अच्छी. No, this is wrong. Here right answer is. None of the countries in the world is. Either of the countries in the world is. You just mark it. Is. As more affected. ठीक है आज more you see more is a comparative degree. Comparative degree cannot come here. This must be much, none of the countries in the world is as much affected. ठीक है as much not more as much affected by the COVID-19. affected ठीक है by the COVID-19. You see, COVID-19 is a disease, name of a disease. Okay. And so far the rules of articles in English grammar is concerned. Article D is never used before the names of disease. कौन सी रोग मानक नाम पूर्व आर्टिकल दी लगे नहीं. COVID-19 गोटे रोगर नाम पूर्व आर्टिकल दी लगे नहीं तेणु गोटे आर्टिकल दी जे रंग. इट मस्ट बी रिमूव्ड. ओके. आज दी इंडिया इज इंडिया इज ए प्रॉपर नाउन मीन्स नेम ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर प्लेस or name of a particular person, and generally article D is not used before them. So here article D is wrong. Correct? Next, thanks to the humanity effort. हमें बहुत धन्यवाद दबा. ठीक है. Thanks to the humanity efforts. You see humanity. This is humanity. Humanity and here is effort. Effort is a noun. Effort is a noun. Humanity is also a noun. So two nouns cannot go together. If it is a noun, it must be its adjective. adjective haba eta. So humanity is wrong. Humanity ra adjective la humanitarian. Humanitarian. Okay. The right answer is humanitarian, not humanity. Humanitarian efforts. Efforts. Provide. Okay. Providing. This is wrong. Providing. This is wrong. This is in relative clause. This is not providing. Right answer is provided. Mistake is here. Provided. Okay. To India by. Okay. To India. भारत को जो मानविकतार जतक चेष्टा सब जोगा जाउछि प्रोवाइडेड टू इंडिया भारत को जोगिया जाउछि आमे सब धन्यवाद दबा by other all countries. Where is the mistake? Where is the mistake? There is, I think, no mistake. Students may think there is no mistake. You see, yes, mistake is there. By other all countries. अन्यान्य समस्त देश मानक द्वारा किछि भूल बोधे लागू नथो but wrong mistake is there. You know all. All is a predeterminer. You know what is determiner? Determiner means the words that go before a noun, like a cardinal, ordinal, your numerical, your quantifier, articles. These are called pre-words, and all is the predeterminer. All boys is wrong. The all boys is wrong. Right is all the boys. All the boys. The all so other all is wrong. This must be here. All other. All by all other, not other all. Correct is all other countries. Correct? ठीक है. Next, though the endemic, you know what is endemic? Here is a mistake. Endemic. Two words are there. One is endemic, other is pandemic. Pandemic. What is endemic? What is pandemic? Endemic means the disease that is confined to a particular region. आम गोटे रोग को आम कह एंडेमिक टा केते बेले ना जदि से रोगटा एक निर्दिष्ट एरिया भितर सीमाबद्ध होकर रही बट जिते रोगटा सबुआड़े व्यापी जाए दैट इज कॉल्ड पैंडेमिक यू नो पैंडेमिक सो COVID-19 we all know it is everywhere in the world so this is not endemic this is actually pandemic this is not endemic this is pandemic okay though the epidemic not endemic this is pandemic though the pandemic is spreading you see is spreading is wrong spread is never used in progressive form though the right answer is here is a mistake we can correct it though the pandemic spreads not is spread is wrong then fastly you know जोरदार भाव रे हमको सदाले मन अच्छी जे स्लो हला धीरे धीरे स्लोली क्विक हला शीघ्र बा जल्दी आम करूचे क्विकली सेमती कोई पिला भाव फास्ट जल्दी जोरदार भाव रे नो फास्टली इज नॉट एडवर्ब फास्ट कैन बी यूज्ड both as adjective and adverb. For example, it is a fast train. It is a fast train. Okay. Here fast is adjective. Train is a noun. Our noun को पता किमित train टा ना टा बहुत द्रुतगामी train. Fast is adjective. The adverb the train runs fast. एठी एटा होची वर्ब हमें वर्ब की परिपतल ट्रेन केमिति जाए ना बहुत शीघ्र जाए जल्दी जाए द्रुत गति रे जाए सो दिस इज नॉट एक्चुअली फास्ट रो एडजेक्टिव एडवर्ब टा फास्टली नुहे सो मिस्टेक इज हियर ly मस्ट बी रिमूव्ड द ट्रेन सो इट इज स्प्रेड्स फास्ट ओके स्टिल हम अर्थ कढिबा जदियो एई पैंडेमिक टा जोर रे विस्तारित होउची तथापि you see here though is a subordinator and still is a coordinator when though subordinator is used to there is no need of using any any coordinator. So still if you write here, this is wrong. This must be removed. You see, if you write though the man is poor, still he is happy. Still he is happy. हम ओडिया रे भाबुचे जदियो लोकटा गरीब तथापि से खुशी हमको ओडिया ठीक लगुच किंतु इंग्रेजी रे ए स्टिल इट रही परियो नाही सिंपली गोटे कमा दिया जीवो दो दी मैन इज पोर he is happy no need or if he use still there it will be wrong so still must be removed here okay next we determined अर्थ आमे दृढ़ निष्पत्ति नेलु आमे दृढ़ निष्पत्ति नेइनु आमे दृढ़ निष्पत्ति बद्ध हेइछु एटा बी वर्ब एक्चुअली सो हियर we are determined okay to fight it out correct very sooner is here is the mistake not very sooner this is very soon clear next let us all abide तेणु आस ए जो महामारी को हमको अटके को हेले आमे समस्ते एकत्रित होई आमे समस्ते आस मानिबा let us also ame mani naba let us all abide अर्थ मानिबा you know here is the mistake do is the mistake abide is a phrasal verb here abide पर जो particle लगे that is not to that is actually by we should all abide by COVID-19 rules ए पद ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट देखो to arresting you see to infinitive एटा to infinitive रे सदरा 2 plus v1 हुए जीवाकू टू गो खाइबाकू टू ईट याको नियंत्रण करिबाकू टू अरेस्ट नॉट अरेस्टिंग हियर द मिस्टेक सो द करेक्शन इज कोविड रूल्स टू अरेस्ट देन कम ए सच ग्रीम सिचुएशन एमिति एक भयंकर परिस्थिति पई यू सी ए सच इज मिस्टेक ही इज सच ए बॉय दिस इज करेक्ट he is a such boy is wrong a such must be rearranged it must be such a this is very important student mark it not it is a such this is such a grim ठीक अछि situation you see situation has been wrongly spelled SITUE no this is a okay Okay students, thank you. Have a fine time. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it.